Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to invite you all to listen in on a conversation I'll be having with the World Snitch, aka the World Sprat, and Popcaan. Yes, Popcaan, the DJ, former protege of the World Sprat. People, listen and listen carefully. See, because as you can see on your screen right now, the World Snitch thought it would be a good idea to sneak over to one of those pathetic, underachieving channels, right, and drop a statement like this. Guess he thought, well, nobody not gonna see it anyway, considering how weak that channel is, right? But you don't know, my subscribers find everything and them send it to me. He posted it a month ago and I didn't even see it. Now, as you can see on your screen, the World Snitch is now saying, sir, and by the way, from you see me black out that P word, they don't know what it is already, right? Now he's saying was a soldier, right? First he was saying I was police, now he's saying I'm soldier. Tomorrow I'll be a fireman. Next day, I guess I'll be a warder. And you know what? It really makes sense because he posted this a month ago and you realize he's been milking the Susan Bogle incident, right? Talking about JDF this and JDF that, and we're not talking about the soldier this and the soldier that. It looked like the World Snitch is now bitter towards soldiers because we know for sure that he doesn't care about Susan Bogle, right? Big up Park Camp, big up 1 RJR, 2 RJR. And you don't know, big up the Taggis, them, elite. Now, people at Jamaica, I'm going to give you some information because you're going to hear a conversation that I'm going to have with the World Snitch and Popcaan. And some things I'm going to say in this video, I don't even think Popcaan himself know. And I'm going to back it up with some pictures. Yes, I'm actually going to post pictures, I'm going to post names. But before I get to that stage, let's look at what the World Snitch had to say. Sir P, it's on your screen by the way people. Sir P, and you know which P word that was a soldier. Now it is just a girl's guide. Me tell you, and of course I crossed out the name of the irrelevant YouTuber. No one will remember them in time. Just another unknown human with an inferiority complex. Him soon get found and lost again. Him soon get found and lost again. I don't know about you people, but that sounds like a threat. World Snitch, did you really just threaten me? People, let's get into the video. 2016. Remember when the black drop top range come in? When Popcaan did get, remember that mad car there? Yeah man, the Range Rover Evoque. People, right after the range come in, the World Snitch, being the little bad mind, dirty heart individual that he is, have up the youth because him the thinks the Popcaan career did go fizzle out without him being around, right? And Popcaan was getting bigger and bigger, right? And he was even getting international coverage. This made the World Snitch very, very bitter. Remember, this is 2016. By then he was already in jail for about what, 5 years, right? But he never took the steps that he ended up going to. People, you really want to hear this? Popcaan, you really want to hear this, right? Because I know Mega start address the World Snitch. Do you remember when you tell black man, say, because Popcaan is an informer, he needs to be taken care of? World Snitch, you're in jail from 2011 and you never realized that Popcaan an informer till 2016. He never bother you that much till the point you run a program on the man. World Snitch, remember say when you run the program from Papi, right after the range come in, because the timing of the range important, you know, because more the people them say you are dirty, you know. Popcaan, remember when you got the show at Portmore? Remember when you come back from the show, right after you get the range, man? You live on Elsha Road. Popcaan, did you know there was a car driving behind you full of black man's soldiers, as in black man from Klansman, who were operating on the orders, right, or the program of the World Snitch, and those men were going to take your life that day? Did you know that? Popcaan, that you may talk to. Did you know that? You know, if you come out public and accept this, a matter of fact, here's a better option. Come out public and deny it. because me and you know how the world snitch there, right? So come out and say nothing go so. Because the world snitch is a man where if you even feel like you know come out come the night, right? And make people go, oh, so Popcaan the night, I true then. Oh, that means the boy Popcaan, I use psych to show the people them it's a real thing. And you know what? Popcaan, best thing I do is come out on the night. But me I talk to you now, Popcaan. Remember when you come up on Elsha Road from a party there, just get the range? There was a car behind you. Me I go tell you who in the car. And me I go tell World Snitch who was also in the car. And anybody who really know clans will recognize some of them names. World Snitch, I'm going to show you just how much me know. And maybe you shouldn't be looking so far. Maybe you need to be looking closer to figure out who Sir P really is. People of Jamaica, look on the screen right now. Oh well, don't start sweating, World Snitch. What you sweat for? Come on, let's get that blood pressure down. I mean, I did warn you. I did warn you what would happen if you keep talking tough online, right? People of Jamaica, the individual you're looking at right now was one of Black Man from Klansman's top killer. A youth by the name of Sus. Not Mad Sus, but Sus. See, people get them confused. Go back and listen to the song named Step, where the World Snitch says, Sus, don't hang up the phone till me ear and then you hear somebody ball out. That was a real incident. That was a real incident when the World Snitch sent Sus to go kill a youth in a Waterford and them have the phone on while the shooting are going and the World Snitch and Black Man they on the other end I listen to the phone and I laugh. That was a real incident. Don't judge when this song come out, that is a real incident. Klansman people link up a morning. Well, this will come out that morning anyway, but Klansman people link up. I know so now I got Sir P, oh you know that. World Snitch is also asking, oh I know that. But let's go back to Popcaan. This brother on the screen, he was in a vehicle behind Popcaan. And they were in the traffic, traveling behind Popcaan. Traveling behind Popcaan, you don't know, the road clog up, big party going, body can't really move. They were getting closer and closer to Popcaan. They were gonna wait till them reach the light. Then they would have wet up Popcaan and gone about them business. Jamaica would have heard say, Popcaan lose him life. I'm gonna give you some more names, World Snitch, just so you know so I'm not run a joke with you. The man them would in the car. Ready for this? I warned you. I warned you about talking tough. And this isn't even the big video. This isn't even the Radric video. This is not the Lizard video. It's gonna get real messy on you, bro. But listen to the name then. Sus, as I said already. Bingy. Squeeze Eye. Biggs. Shall I go on? You know some left with a name, right? I left with a name, man. I go on with on it, that's for another video. I go on with a name there. But just hold on a name for now. World Snitch. Or your blood pressure? Sus, Bingy, Squeeze Eye, Biggs. The whole of them. Squeeze Eye was the driver. Squeeze Eye was the how detailed you want me go? Squeeze Eye was the driver. And the man them was to pull up from Popcaan and wet him up. So now Jamaica asked them, why is Popcaan still here? Popcaan, this is where you come in. Do you remember back from that event? The police pulled down upon you and draw you out of the line and gave you an escort and you left because the road clog up. Come on, Popcaan, reason amongst your brethren. You don't have to come public. You don't have to come public. Talk to your brethren. Talk amongst your circle. But I don't know if them, as I said, I don't even know if you know this story. I'm giving you 100% facts. The police them, you're in the line on Elsha Road, and the police them take you out of the line and escort you. Popcaan, that moment right there is the reason why you are here in 2020. Whichever prayer your mother pray for you, tell her to keep praying for you. Popcaan. I think your last name is Sutherland. Andre Sutherland. Whichever prayer your mother pray for you in the morning time, tell her never stop. the world snitch send man to take your life because him say you are informer. But that wasn't really in business, because that was the case. From him drop from 2011, him run program. Him wait till the drop top range come. Him wait till him say, you go boss. Way bigger than him think you could ever reach. That's when him use Sykes and use Black Man to run a program for you. That is why Popcaan is still here. As I said, I don't know if him know the story. I don't know if somebody else tell me the story, but it's very unlikely because enough of them man. First of all, Susan Bingi dead now. There's a man named that jail. People of Jamaica. The world snitch. Almost. Send man. Well, almost succeeded in having man take the life of Popcaan. Out of bad mind, out of being bitter, and I use the Sykes of informer, right? Because as you know, that was one of the things where them put on Popcaan, say my informer. And remember, I told you 2016. Do you remember which song come out in 2017? Do you remember which song come out in 2017? That's right, Sean Storm dropped the song where Sean Storm say Popcaan was informer. Come on now, people. Like you know, used to listen. Go back and listen to somebody's song. Go back and listen to steps. I know enough people hear the Sus reference and think that meant mad Sus. No. Sus in the song step refer to Sus who is on your screen right now. Klansman people them know about that Sus here. When a black man top killer them. Real snitch, before me go any further, I'm going to show you say you shouldn't play with me and run no joke. I'm going to put some more hints out there. You think your blood pressure high now? Real snitch. Pre this. You remember the top shooter where they have? We come from when a Seaward Drive. Remember him? Remember how much ups they send the man pan? And when the man don't kill much people fear and you're supposed to pay him. What the fuck? Remember when you buy him the bike? Remember when you buy him the bike, right? And the man was satisfied with that, he still pay the man, right? So you send man back for the bike from Seawood Drive, right? And make the man them carry the bike over McCook's pen, right? Over Black Man side, right? Back to Black Man soldier them. And then you tell the youth say, you know what, him to go for the bike. Remember that? And when the youth left and to go for the bike, that youth family has never seen him since. Real snitch. Do you want me to do that video? That youth, the killer will ever Seaward Drive. You know, tell him to go for the bike, if they take it back from him. When him go feed him family is now. That youth family, if you not listen now, me know the family of that man. Right away, somebody will call him and tell him, say, them just hear Sir P talk about this real snitch. Don't make that video they drop here. Cause people only know about the lizard they make disappear. But are you there? As a matter of fact, before I finish this video, let me give you another one. Because I try to put on you the scope of what you're up against. Remember the brother would end up give the police the whole information, you know? Big witness. Remember what you doing, brother? Remember when you did send your DJ friend to go pick up him brother? And that Sykes say, oh, him get too hot. So teacher say, man carry someone make you go cool out. And one time your DJ friend pick up the youth and carry him over Rockford as he come out of the car and pick up a round 9 man. Remember that? Real snitch. I could touch on the Portsmouth shooting now. When time the bagger man lose his life at Portsmouth, I go call some name now, real snitch. Just drag your memory. I will tell the story also. Ready? Speedy, aka Fast Car, Satan, JJ Nakis. You with me? You with me, real snitch? Real snitch. Remember say, when did you come under pressure for the Portsmouth killing? And the police did make you know say them have certain things for you. Remember say after this say you start leaking a real snitch. Not even reach the lizard. When you get locked up for lizard snitching, you know, we are talking about from the Portsmouth incident. You remember the Portsmouth incident, right? Remember, say the car where Satan did a drive up and down. Remember who that car did really belong to. Remember who did know where Satan there. of all Satan number. And remember how the police will catch Satan. World snitch. You don't really want to start drop certain video. There's a reason why you're called the world snitch. You have the audacity to call Popcorn informer. You have the world snitch. Remember say when Speedy, remember say when JJ Nakis or kill back Speedy. Remember say you for dead too, you know. And you spend the bag of money. You take a bag of money. Buy a much new gun, buy your way out of it, but Speedy couldn't buy me out of it though. Right? Real snitch. Remember say we have it. Here. So, here what we're gonna do now. We're gonna sit back and see if you can help yourself, because me know you want to resist the urge. You want to resist the urge to go up on your phone and type, but we see say you can't help yourself. So you see, because I'm very well aware of the fact say you can't really help yourself. I know you're gonna step up again like you step up yourself and provoke this video. You see, those incidents I just start about a while ago. Yeah? See what drive that you there of the file. The witness brother, we make it and kill a Rockford of the file. Satan, how you sell him out. Right? Give the information to find which family. Remember, Satan lie down on the bed, handgun on him chest, AK side him on the ground. Remember that? Real snitch. I don't even reach the Roderick video. Real snitch, I don't even reach the Lizard video. People at Jamaica. Lizard, none of them old. You see the video them when you see a girl and tell you so old. Lizard is one of the people them. That's nonsense. Syrupy are telling you right now, don't get any hopes up. Lizard was not one of the two people them. You have the Lizard file. As I said in my previous video, Roderick and Quack Quack. Roderick and Quack Quack. We know exactly what happened to Lizard. Don't play with me, real snitch. All that tough talking you do online, that's just bravado. That's just bravado. The fact that you're all over the place are posting at people comment section. That's a lot of effort for somebody who's supposedly this major superstar who's not bothered about this irrelevant YouTuber. You seem very bothered to me. So, don't worry. Sheep Nation will be over here soon to pressure the dislike button and drop their very emotional comments. But, you see, there's somebody name them or me mention, and just look at one picture I post. Ask yourself this question. How much of that picture I have? How much of the names I have? How much of the details we have? Don't play with me. Real snitch. You've never come up against anything like this before. The war that we have with Movado, that was a joke thing. That was a complete joke to what you are now up against. Sit down, be quiet, and wait. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.